Hello gorgeous people and welcome back to another Kayla's Girls video. As you can see, today we're going to be trying on some Cora press-on nails. In my last one I tried on some back to school, so today I'll be trying out a pair of their Halloween collection. Here are some just to show what they have to offer for their Halloween collection. This has to be one of my favorites, The Nightmare Before Christmas, and this is Jack Skellington. It's so detailed, so pretty. I also got a beautiful nude pair, and I got 3 beautiful handmade press-on nails. And these are all pre-measured, and on their website you can choose the size that you want. These are just stunning and beautiful, and I'm probably in love with these the most. Look at the Kuromi set, just so cute, so adorable. I also got a floral design, and they're looking lovely. I cannot wait to wear these. So we're going to start by prepping our nails. Before that, let me go ahead and show you what comes in the press-on box. They always provide you with a cuticle pusher, a filer, and a prep pad, and as well with some glue stickers just in case you aren't comfortable using the liquid glue. So it comes with a liquid glue as well, and like I mentioned, the nail filer, cuticle pusher, and as well the alcohol prep pad. So I've already decided the pair that I'm going to wear, and I just could not wear the Hello Kitty press-on nail set. They're just so cute. So anyways, we're going to start by prepping the nails. Some people actually prefer to allow their nails to grow under their press-on nails or acrylics, but I personally like to start on a fresh canvas. My nails are already brittle, so I just cut them anyways so that I can have something fresh to work with, and as well so my nails don't peek through the press-on nails either. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just using some clippers to clip away the free edge of my nails, and like I said, everyone has their own preference. So here we go. Here's one side completed. I'm going to go ahead and do the same to the other, and boom, both sides are done. So now going into the little set that you received in your package, you're going to take out your cuticle pusher, and you definitely want to push back those cuticles, and this is just going to make the nails look more natural, as if the nails grew out of your own fingertips, if you will. So you definitely don't want to skip this step. Definitely push those cuticles back. So then there's also another side, the pointier side. This is just going to scrape away that dead skin, and that is what I'm doing here with the opposite side of the cuticle pusher. And then here is my cuticles ready for the next step. And the next step is you want to file your nails. Now, filing your nails is going to help your press-on nails last longer and stick better and adhere better to your nails. So you definitely don't want to skip this step either. Like I said, all of these things before you use the glue and apply the press-on nails is very crucial into giving you that longevity for your press-on nail set. And Cora nails and their nail glues are really well. And for me, the longest I've had a set on was over 2 weeks. If you saw the last video, I previously did a tutorial on using a pair of their press-ons. Those lasted me over 2 weeks, and I love when your nails can last that long. So now that we're done prepping the nails with our filing, cuticles pushed back, we are going to use a prep pad to clean the nails. You can ultimately use rubbing alcohol or acetone if you have that on hand and you did not receive this in your package, but usually you do receive them in the package. But if you don't, you can do what I just mentioned, and this is just going to again clean off that dust and any oils on your nails. So I'm going to be using the liquid glue. I'm not a huge fan of the sticker glue. Other people love to use it, but I personally don't. So I'm going to use this nail glue. Like I mentioned, I'm going to be wearing the Hello Kitty set. These are just super, super cute and so adorable. I love the decals and the little gems that were added. So here I'm just showing you guys how you would want your press-on nails to sit on your natural nail. You want the nails to touch from side to side, and these are pre-measured, so they do fit my nails really well because I chose the size that I want. So now what you want to do is you want to put a little bit of glue, not too much, just a little, or you will have overflowing, and then you're going to get as close to the cuticle as you can and hold down on that nail for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. And once you feel that it is dry, then you are good to move on to the next one. So here's the first one. Super cute, super stunning. I love it already, and I can't wait to see how they all look on me. Now again, doing the same thing, it goes close to the cuticles, hold down, and as you can see here, you could see a little bit of the glue coming out. So what I did was I used the cuticle pusher to just scrape away the excess glue, just because if you allow it to dry, it will create like a little white spot, and you'll have to get it off somehow with like soap and your nails, and that's something I had to do with one or two of them at least. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue doing this for all my nails, and then I'll come back and show y'all how they all look once they're applied. So far so good. I'm loving the design on these nails. They're just super cute, super stunning, and one thing I love about these handmade press-ons is that they're very detailed, and the person that made them really did an amazing job. That's why I really love these sets, and when I saw them I was like, I have to have a pair of them because I just love Hello Kitty. I love Melody and Chromie. They're just so cute, and just to have them on your nails just means the most. But here's how they look, and you can definitely, if you purchase these same ones, you can definitely switch it up and, you know, mix and match the nails if you would like. But here is a look at them. They're almost done, and here is the nails looking cute, looking beautiful. So I'm just continuing doing the same thing. I'm just adding a little bit of glue to the bottom of the nail, and then taking it as close as I can to the cuticle and holding for about 10 to 15 seconds until the glue is completely dry. So that was the last nail that I had to apply, and here is the completed look. I did get a little bit of glue on the nail, so it's not going to be easy for me to get off. Like I said, you definitely want to be careful with the glue and take your time, and you don't have to rush when doing press-ons. So always when you're doing your nails, you know, take a moment out of your day or your weekend to do them so that you do not have any mistakes like that one nail that I did. But anyways, I'm so in love with this set. This set is so cute. Definitely me. Definitely a style that I would wear again. And I highly recommend you guys check out their website. They have a lot of amazing, beautiful looking press-on nails, and very stunning as well. Especially their handmade press-ons are just very detailed and so pretty and gorgeous. Just look at how cute they are. Just so cute. I was just so happy after I put these on. Like, I just literally had to show all my friends and my family. Like, I made like a lot of posts after I did this. Like, so if you're following me or you're a friend of mine and you're watching this, you already know. You already know. But anywho, like I said, this is from the brand Betty Cora. I have done a review with them in the past, so they are not new here on my channel. I want to say thank you to them for reaching out to me for a second time to try on a pair of their Halloween collection. I definitely will be wearing the Nightmare Before Christmas set because it's almost Halloween and I need to wear those pairs for Halloween. But yeah, check out their website, see what they have to offer. As you can see, they have a lot of beautiful designs and for affordable prices too, and just $15 for the same pair you see me wearing is really nice. And you can always reuse and rewear them again. If you do have like a e-filer, you can use it to clean the glue that's on the nail and rewear them. I personally do have one, so I am definitely going to do that for these pairs. And as you can see, the price of these were only $14.99, so that is a big deal for me when it comes on to nails like this. It just goes to show that you can have a beautiful set of nails for an affordable price. So everything, including the coupon code, will be linked in the description box. Make sure y'all check them out. Again, thank you so much, Betty Cora, for giving me a second opportunity to work with you. I'm very impressed with these nails, and most definitely we will be wearing another pair before Halloween and even after Halloween as well. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe before you leave. Check out Betty Cora. They have some beautiful, stunning press-on nails, and if you're interested, everything will be in the description box. Bye, y'all.